we're gonna see how it goes. Good morning, guys. Here I am about to leave. Bismillah. And here we go. Okay guys, here we left. Okay, and here's Ahmed. He's gonna join me on like, not even, I won't say half of the ride. It's just 10% of it. And we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, here we are. Stop number 1. It's a little stopover. And it's rainy, by the way. I'm trying to see how far I can go. I need to get out of the steep first and then head towards, I don't know. Let's see how far we can go. So I'm already out. It's been almost an hour and the sun started hitting now in the beginning. Covered 46 kilometers and there's a lot more to go. So I'll be having some food, changing some clothes, and some rest, and I'll be back on road again. So I changed my clothes and it's time to go now. Little stop over. Yeah, so here's the food and here's the tea. And we are trying to have some tea. These are the perks of having a bike. You gotta go past all these cars when there's no traffic. Or there is traffic actually. It's gonna be okay. Oh. All the humans leaving trash in here. Kilo किती छ? Kilo ह्याक्न पनि दिति मेगा खासो गो. It's time to get back on bike. I was having a small rest. And it's hard for me to get the camera out because it's a lot of stuff. So there are going to be a lot of vertical videos in my vlog which you're watching right now. This is a shooting stone area, so I have to be really careful. Today is really hard because it's hard, it's uphill, and it's far away. I'm trying not to give up and see how far I can go. The sun's right above me. Okay, so for all you long riders, I have a hack for you guys. Put your helmet like this, put some water, and splash it. If this remains wet, keeps you cool. I'm saying this again. It's really hot today. And I'm trying to make it there. It's uphill. It's really hard today. Without even lying, I would say it's been the hardest ride so far because there's a lot of vertical gains, a lot of uphill. cannot really believe this. I made it so far, and there's a little more to go. Then we'll be there. A lot of people today, a lot of people. So much crowd. Crazy driving. There is another pro tip if your sneaker is something like this. Well, this is not an ad, I'm just saying, if it's all melted, you just drop it and put it in the water for some time. Here we are, right there. We just made it. We just made it. Thanks for staying in the video. If you are still watching this, do subscribe, do share, like, comment, and let me know what you want more in these videos. And that's it for now.